Asa ng side? Pilagyan ng araw. Ano pa? Bukod sa sides, ano pa? Parts of triangle. Ha? Vertices. Pag sasagot, taas ng kamay, tatayo, tatawagin ka lang. Okay. Ano pa? Panisel. Vertices. Sige. First, the vertices. The vertices, may kabisa. Ang tawag yan ay okay, kabisa, vertex. Pag namin ang tawag yan, vertices. Okay. Walang problema. Oh, next. Ano pa? Meron pang isa. Parts of triangle. Meron pa. Meron pa. Parts of triangle. Ano pa? Ha? Ano? Parts of triangle lang. Ano pa yung isa? Meron siya? Meron? Meron ano? May sides kayo, may vertices. Ano pa meron sa isang triangle? Meron pa? Meron pang ano? May isa? Oh, angles. First angles lang. Yan yung mga angles. Now, we have sides of triangle. Sides of triangle according to what? According to sides. Sides of triangle. Which one according to sides? According to sides. One. According to size. According to size. What is it? According to size. Ha? Now, tingnan na. When you say equilateral, when you say equilateral, ha? All sides are? Oh, tingnan natin mo. All sides are equal. Now, who can draw? Who can draw now on an equilateral triangle? Sige na, si Pula yan eh. Bakit Pula? Example. When you say equilateral, all sides are equal. Kapag equal ang sides, ang angles are equal. Okay. Kung sa equilateral, ano pa? Ha? Sabi ko, pag sasagot, nakakis mo kamay. Okay, B. Ano pa? Okay, Michael. Make note po kayo, saan na kayo nakopya? Malaki daw para makita mo. When we say isosceles, write the meaning. When we say isosceles, two sides are Malaki mo. Okay. Next ay scaling. When we say scaling, no size are equal. Now, 2.0 now. Scaling. R3. Next, meron pa? Meron pa? Meron pa? These are the types of triangle according to size. Okay. Go. Yung pangalawa, according to yes, yes. Types of triangle according to kung kanina according sa size, ngayon according to angles. Okay. Kung MMQ, according to angles. According to angles. Dalawa lang sila, tatlo lang, apat. Okay, angle. Ako yung triangle. When we say a great triangle,